Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can take your indoor and outdoor gardening to the next level, the RAINPOINT Smart Moisture Meter Wireless Plant Monitor Kit. We found this innovative device online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product actually is. The RAINPOINT Smart Moisture Meter is a digital device designed to monitor the moisture levels in your soil, ensuring your plants receive the right amount of water. It features a large display that provides a clear snapshot of current conditions, and it can be used both as a standalone unit or paired with a Wi-Fi hub for enhanced features. One of the standout features of this moisture meter is its real-time monitoring capability. It continuously samples moisture levels and provides updated readings every minute. This means you'll be able to make informed decisions about when to water your plants, which is crucial for maintaining their health. By logging data over time, the device helps you identify trends in soil moisture, allowing you to optimize your watering practices. Another noteworthy feature is the customizable low/high moisture alert. You can set specific thresholds based on the needs of different plants, and the device will notify you when it's time to water or if the soil is too wet. This is particularly useful for preventing both overwatering and underwatering, two common issues that can damage or even kill your plants. The RAINPOINT Smart Moisture Meter also offers push notifications and email alerts. You can receive reminders about moisture levels or battery status, making it easy to manage your plants even when you're away from home. This is perfect for families or shared households, as you can set up notifications for multiple users. Durability is another important aspect of this product. With better waterproof and corrosion protection, the moisture meter is built to last, whether you're using it indoors or outdoors. This rugged design ensures longevity, so you can rely on it for your gardening needs season after season. The meter is equipped with precision sensors that provide accurate moisture readouts. It allows you to select the type of soil you're working with, minimizing errors that can occur due to variations in soil types. With precise data at your fingertips, you can easily adjust your watering schedule and promote healthier plant growth. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're an avid gardener, whether indoors or outdoors, this moisture meter is a game changer. It's ideal for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts who want to maintain healthy, thriving plants. It's also perfect for those who manage multiple plants, as the data logging and alert features make it easier to keep track of various species with different watering needs. Practical use cases are abundant. For instance, if you have a collection of houseplants, setting the moisture meter up in each pot can help you avoid the guesswork of watering. You'll receive real-time updates and alerts, allowing you to ensure every plant is getting exactly what it needs. Similarly, if you're managing an outdoor garden, the meter can provide valuable insights into soil moisture, helping you determine the best times to irrigate. Additionally, when paired with the Wi-Fi hub, you can create an automated watering system with other RAINPOINT smart devices. This exclusive solution means you can step away from the hassle of manual watering, empowering you to nurture your plants effortlessly. In conclusion, the RAINPOINT Smart Moisture Meter Wireless Plant Monitor Kit is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their plant care routine. With its advanced features, durability, and ease of use, it's designed to help you cultivate a lush, thriving garden all year round. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.